All of us dream of healthy, strong, silky, and shiny hair. You're at the right place, and here you will get to know 10 tips that can help to strengthen your hair. Did you know that many of your regular products cause harm and weaken your hair, which leads to hair loss? Here are 10 healthy hair tips that you need to adapt to protect your hair and help it grow thick, strong, and shiny. So are you excited to know all hair tips? Horizontal ellipsis. Yes. Then let's start the video, but at this moment I would like to remind you to subscribe Info World channel and hit the bell icon to keep in touch with us on this channel. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar for hair growth. Wash your hair with apple cider vinegar after using shampoo, and before rinsing your vinegar hair wait for 3 to 5 minutes. After washing, your hair will be glossy and silky. Also, vinegar provides natural protection from bacteria and fungus, which is one of the main reasons for dull hair. If you have dull, oily, dandruff hair, then you can use vinegar to boost your hair health. Number 2. Avocado Mask for dry and damaged hair. Dryness is one of the worst things that hair can have, which leads to breakage, split ends, frizz. To avoid all these, use the avocado mask once a month. The secret recipe of the avocado mask: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix or grind all the ingredients in a plastic bowl. Apply the avocado mask from the hair root properly and wait for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, rinse your hair with a mild shampoo. Number 3. Egg yolk for strong and shiny hair. Egg yolk is an excellent source of nutrients such as fatty acids, biotin, folate, vitamins A and D. All these above nutrients help your hair grow faster and also give a glossy and silky look. Instead of sulfate-loaded shampoo, use egg yolk for the betterment of your hair. Do you know that without affecting, egg yolks moisturizes your hair better than many commercial products? Number 4. Stop washing your hair every day. Try not to wash your hair every day because it can cause split ends, dryer, fade color, etc. Overwashing can dries out the scalp and strips your hair from natural scalp oil. Your scalp secreted an oil that provides nutrients to your hair. Number 5. Sulfate-free shampoo. Sulfate contains shampoo that can strip natural oil from your scalp and weakens your hair strength. Sulfate shampoo removes natural moisture of your hair and also causes dryness, redness, itching in the scalp. So, please try to buy sulfate-free shampoo on the market for healthy, strong, shiny hair. Number 6. Braid your hair at night. Always do loose braiding because it can help your hair to stay strong and healthy. Braiding can keep your hair structured while you sleep and also avoid friction that creates breakage. Hair braiding is one of the best things to do because it minimizes frizz, saves your time in the morning, helps in avoiding heat styling, etc. Number 7. Consume omega-3 fatty acid foods. According to a study, omega-3 fatty acid loaded fish oil supplements, tablets, help to reduce hair loss. Also, omega-3 fatty acids help nourish the hair follicles and encourage the growth of new hair. It also prevents breakage. So please try to consume omega-3 loaded foods such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, walnuts, canola oil, flax seeds. Number 8. Give yourself a scalp massage. Scalp massage is one of the best things to do because it helps in hair growth, relieves stress, strengthens hair. It also increases blood flow to the hair follicles, which means regrowth of hair on your scalp. Buy a scalp massager which will cost you around $2 to $10. Try to use peppermint oil for scalp massage. It helps in hair growth and also relieves stress. Number 9. Use sun protection products. Use ultraviolet protection hair care products that are easily available in the market. If you want to use homemade or natural sun protection products, then apply a few drops of coconut or olive oil in your hair. Especially during the summer, don't forget to use UV protection products. Number 10. Avoid hair dryer. To make a great hairstyle, don't use the dryer because its heat affects the natural moisture of the hair. Especially it weakened your scalp by that sudden blast of dryer heat. In short, try to dry your hair in a natural way. If you feel this video is informative for you, then like and share the video. And if you are first time on this channel, then click the subscribe button, as well as bell icon to receive notifications for upcoming such types of informative videos. Thank you and keep watching.